Drive through Nagarhole was fantastic. And once you reach Coorg, the landscape just changes completely. Though it was long and tiring, at the end of the day, the last bit was just amazing. And here we are, gonna get to the bed now. Meet you all tomorrow morning. Bye. That's the room. It was completely fresh when it was given to us. Neat sheets, and the bathroom was actually very clean and tidy. Busy man. This is a bakery right outside the hotel. When you come here, have karaban and chai. Really good karaban as well. Just done with the wedding, and we are heading to Madikeri now. We have booked a beautiful resort. This route is actually very beautiful. A lot of estates around, and it's pretty green. From here, from Virajpet, Madikeri is around 24-25 kilometers. Time is already 4:30 and we are heading to Dubare Elephant Camp, and it's raining cats and dogs. We are having fun on the twisties, but the rain is just pouring like crazy. It's fun driving in the rain and in the ghats. Oh man, look at this. Crazy. It did rain yesterday too, but not this bad. I think it's the same case in Bangalore as well currently. It's been pouring there. We thought the climate will be cold, but it wasn't. But suddenly it started to rain. So maybe today it's going to be a little cold compared to yesterday. We just reached Dubare Elephant Camp, parked the car right there, and going to the place where we can take the boat to cross the river. Some temperature check happening, which is a good thing. We are getting onto the boat. Oh.
elephant பார்க்கலாம். அங்க பாரு, அங்க big elephant இருக்கு.
Behind me is a feeding area. Last time we could all go till there and feed the elephants, but due to the COVID, they have taken precautions wherein there is good amount of boundary around the enclosure, so people don't get to go very close to the elephants. This guy's a huge tusker. Well, all these elephants walk into the forest right behind this particular gated enclosure. So usually they are left free in the night, wherein they go roam around in the forest and get back. And this place is very, very huge, and this particular establishment is for, taming the elephants and training the elephants which are caught from the wild. So there's a watchtower from where you can actually see the enclosures where they actually, keep the wild elephants and tame them. Those are the, I don't know what do you call them, wherein they tame the elephants which are caught from the wild. So there is a board which says no entry, so public are not allowed to get close to that place, because if there are wild elephants inside the enclosure, they are pretty dangerous. So these guys are going down to drink some water from the river. ತಣ್ಣಿ ಕುಡಿಯೋಕೆ ಸರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೀರ ಹತ್ರ ಕರ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ ಕಿಲಿಯಾ ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಎಲಿಫೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಮಾ
ದೋ ಎಲಿಫೆಂಟ್ ಎಲಿಫೆಂಟ್ ಎದ್ದು ಕತ್ತಿದಮ್ಮ ಓ.
So the boat ride will cost you 30 rupees per head, and the entry into the park costs you 50 rupees per head, and if you're carrying a camera, then they charge you 300 rupees for the camera. And I would say that it is not too expensive. The entire proceeds that these guys get from tourism, they're going to utilize it for the elephant camp. Hey, dura mami nille nilla photo kumbal photo. It's not so crowded. Last time when we came, there was a huge queue here to get into the boat. But now there are only 2 boats that are running. But usually there are a lot of boats that carry a lot of people. It is a weekday, there are very less people. But otherwise, overall, I think
But
the
there are
tourism.
a lot of changes. Last time we were able to go near the elephants, feed them, but this time we are not allowed to go near them. So it's good for them. So all thanks to Corona and the pandemic.
Thank you. are done.